So in this video, I want to break down what I'm thinking right now in crypto and why to me there is one massive catalyst that can help XRP move up higher and really move crypto higher. We are seeing a nice little bounce right now at the time of this recording. Now keep in mind this video will come out. You might see this later on, but currently we're at $81,000 plus Bitcoin, almost close to 82,000, and we know that the market basically responds and reacts to Bitcoin here always. And XRP sitting at 213. We've been as high as about 215 on the bounce. But here's the thing, guys, we're missing something very, very big right now. And it is a good sign. This is part of the catalyst I want to talk about in this video. Despite, a big drop in price yesterday and prices across the board in crypto and stocks, especially tech stocks and obviously altcoins, in the crypto market. Despite all of that, XRP active addresses are moving up. That means more and more people are coming in. So smart money is buying the dip. And we're seeing that very similarly happen with stocks as well. Basically, if you can buy during these tumultuous times in the market and guess right on what you're buying, there's a lot to glean here. There's a lot to gain moving forward, but it's difficult. It is very hard. So, one of the things that I'm really doing right now more than anything is just doubling down on my high conviction plays, right? So, to me, it starts at the top with Bitcoin. It starts with, XRP, ETH right now. I'm basically just holding what I have. But I added Bitcoin and I added XRP. I had to buy, basically go in because I basically set a limit buy under $2, right at about 198, that automatically buys me some more XRP. Anytime I can get it right now below 2, I like that. We've continued to hold the line there pretty nicely, right? But your high conviction plays is really where it's at. And the massive catalyst that I'm talking about for XRP really could be extrapolated out and basically said for the entire market, because we've got all this noise happening with tariffs and recession fears, and all of that's real, right? But a lot of it is kind of like FOMO out of the market. The real big problem that we have right now is a lack of liquidity. That's a real big issue. We just don't have the retail interest. We don't have the money flowing in. Yes, we have smart money buying, but we need real liquidity from institutions and retail. And we're just not in a macro environment that is conducive to increased liquidity and increased demand right now. Now, does that eventually change? I believe so. And that's why I'm continuing to buy my high conviction assets. Again, starting at the top with Bitcoin. When Bitcoin dipped down to 77K, I was all over it, guys. I was smashing the buy button at 77 and 78,000 on Bitcoin. We've bounced a little bit since then, which is awesome. Could we go lower? Certainly. I mean, anything is possible. But at the end of the day, that is the big catalyst that we're missing for XRP and all of crypto. Like, we just don't have the volume. You could see here, the volume back in these days. If we move this chart up here, these are volume bars, guys. Look at the volume spikes here back in November and the rise that we had. And then you come down to this end of the chart, pretty much all February long, outside of a couple days here and there. And a lot of this was just sell pressure right here. Okay, these were big wicks down. Outside of that, it's really quieted down. Okay, the volume has slowed, the demand has slowed, and that's really the most important factor right now. We're not in a conducive environment for liquidity to rise, and in return, demand to rise. Now, in looking at XRP, staying above $2 is going to be crucial for us. We're going to be tracking that pretty much all day long. And again, you might be watching this at a later date, so keep that in mind. But at current valuation, we're at 213. This is going to be very, very important. If we reach below here and start to form lower lows down below $2, guys, we're looking at about 160. Right in here, right in this spot here would be our next stop potentially on the support levels for XRP. Now, obviously, you can bet that the market's going to go up and down. My trading indicators, a really nice indication of kind of where we are right now. We are on a momentum down candle. I walk you through how to use this. You can, again, bet the market's going to go up or down using this trading indicator. It'll certainly help you. That's the great thing. You can still make money shorting the market. And the cool thing is you could set up all your customized alerts. We have a 30-day money-back guarantee, meaning you could try this risk-free for 30 days, and it is going to set you up for success moving forward in your time in crypto. If you're like me, you're playing the long game here. So I really look at utilizing XT Algo on the macro charts, and I walk you through how exactly to use it on various time frames. You'll be all set up within like 20 to 30 minutes. Then you can come over to, an exchange like BidFi and make your bets either on the spot market, derivatives. They've got, futures, whatever you want to do here. There's a link down below to BidFi and BTCC, my preferred exchanges, partners of mine that I'm working with. So you can check that out. With BidFi, chance to win $8,100 plus in USDT right now. And you start trading and increasing your volume. Great opportunity to earn some free XRP as well, only under my sign up link. So there is links down below, but that's the big catalyst that it's going to flip the market right now. We need liquidity. We need a conducive environment where people want to come into the markets. And right now we're struggling to find that. That is where a lot of the uncertainty lies. People are sitting back because of, recession fears and tariffs, and they're not deploying capital. They're not deploying liquidity. There's a lot of money sitting in stable coins right now waiting to deploy, waiting for that right moment. And I think eventually once this thing breaks, we're going to see XRP eventually set new all-time highs this cycle. I think a lot of the hype and hysteria will come back. I think it's going to come back into high conviction, US-based RWA AI layer one plays. That's where my money's going. That's where I'm allocated. I have stabled up a little bit too to be able to buy any future dips. But that's where I'm going to continue to, stack my chips, starting with Bitcoin at the top, XRP, assets like Cardano, with Hedera, Chainlink, AVAX, SWI. These type of assets is where I want to deploy capital. Ondo, right? Ondo's down here to 81 cents. To me, that's a great opportunity to buy up that dip down here at 81 cents. Look at this. We dipped down all the way to 74 recently. So these are some of the areas and some of the things that I'm watching right now in the macro space. And we'll continue to track everything for you guys. Make sure you are locked in here to the channel. Click that subscribe button. Put notifications on. And let me know your guys' thoughts down below in the comment section. I'm very curious to hear your guys' thoughts on all of this as we continue to monitor everything. But that's the one big thing missing for XRP, guys. It's liquidity. It's liquidity. And when liquidity comes back, I think we're going to see a massive push to the upside. I can't give you an exact time frame. Nobody knows. If anybody has it perfectly figured out, if they're saying that, they're lying to you. Nobody has it figured out. But when fear and greed is down here at 15 and everybody's running for the hills, to me, it's time to go to high conviction plays and slowly get back in the market. Dollar cost average my way in and DCA my way to victory. That's what I'm doing right now. So appreciate you all for watching the video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.